Now that eGlass has been set up, it is time to configure the laptop and camera settings for recording. On your laptop, download and install the program eGlass Fusion. This program allows you to take full advantage of what eGlass has to offer. Once installed, open eGlass Fusion and turn the eGlass on. The switch is on the bottom of the frame on the left-hand side. From here, you may need to adjust the eGlass camera to make sure that you are in frame. Simply go behind the eGlass to the camera and tilt it up or down. You may also need to reposition your laptop to make sure that it doesn't show up in frame. You may notice that you are showing up dark, blurry, or overexposed on video. Don't panic. By using these 3 simple settings, you can tune the video quality to perfection. There are 3 settings on the eGlass control panel that we will use. The instructor light, which controls how much the instructor is illuminated. The glass lights, which changes how bright the ink glows. And the exposure, how much light enters the camera. Follow this 5-step process to configure the video. Step 1. Turn glass lights all the way to 100%. Step 2. Turn instructor lights all the way to 0%. Step 3. Draw something on the glass to help create contrast. Step 4. Slowly lower exposure until both the user and the background are dark. Step 5. Slowly raise instructor lights until the user is fully illuminated. And there you go, 5 easy steps. Feel free to configure the lights and exposure to your liking. Now that everything is properly set up, it's time to record.